On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 Voltage 4191 by Keystone RV. This toy hauler is an amazing travel trailer, capable of holding all your favorite outdoor equipment. You'll be amazed by the amount of living space available with high ceilings and large slide-outs that give you room to stretch out while relaxing comfortably inside. There's a large closet pantry next to the residential side-by-side refrigerator. The kitchen is well appointed with plenty of countertop prep space, 3-burner range with microwave above, and lots of storage cabinets. There is an extra sleeping accommodation in a cozy loft bed just above the garage entry. And you'll find even more sleeping space in the convertible 13-foot garage area at the rear. This highly customizable area features a convenient enclosable half bathroom, washer-dryer unit with hookups, a second exterior access door, ceiling-mounted storage cabinets with TV in the middle, plus a glass door rear enclosure and rear deck. You can offer your guest an entire suite of their own to enjoy with easy access to outside activities. As you move to the front, the door at the top left of the stairs is the dual-entry bathroom. And just past that is the private front bedroom. There is a queen bed surrounded by a full complement of shelves and cabinets above. On the adjacent wall is a large mirrored wardrobe, really maximizing the amount of storage space this bedroom offers. The main bathroom can be easily accessed through the hallway or by a sliding pocket door from the bedroom. The roomy shower features a skylight, built-in shelf and seat, plus textured sliding glass doors. This toy hauler is ready to get you, your guests, and all your favorite outdoor equipment to that next adventure destination. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.